Wala na minsan yung chairman natin kung ano. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, before I proceed with my interpellation to some resource persons, let me manifest lang, Mr. Chairman, that the problem with regards to visa issuance was already tackled also in the different committee hearings in my committee. And the committee, magpapalabas po kami, no, sa committee report, how to deal with it, no? Kasi kailangan na nating ayusin yon. For example, BID. O, di ba, ano nga, yung authority niyo to issue visa emanates from what?
Yung old law pa rin po namin, Your Honor, yung Commonwealth Act number 613, 1940 law.
Oh, Commonwealth Act yun, Mr. Chairman, napakatagal na yun. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi pa yan na-amend o na-resend. Kasi nagka-problema tayo dyan eh. In fact, yung mga entry of students, Chinese students, di ba? One of the provision of such that act is with regards to the authority of BI to issue visas for students that wants to stay longer. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
That's only one. That's only one of those.
The BI can issue student visas.
Kaya nga, Mr. Chairman, as I've said, in the committee report, dapat ipapalabas natin yan para ayusin na yung question ng visa issuance, Mr. Chairman. Now, Mr. Chairman, let me proceed with, doon na lang po, kasi kanina pa dito si Mayor Lasatin. Is he still around? Ay, Mayor. Thank you, Mayor, for coming, no? Anyway, Mr. Chairman, mabilis lang to. Mayor, sorry po, medyo matagal kang naghintay. But I was the one that requested for your presence in today's hearing. Now, Mayor, not your name, but Angelicity was mentioned during the investigation last week. And the city of Angeles was mentioned by Mayor of Purak, Pampanga. Kapil pala, which is absent today. And Mr. Chairman, before I forgot, let me again, it's not correct that the excuse letter of Mayor Kapil is all about the annual festa. It's not the annual festa of ano baka preparation yon. So in the next hearing, he must be present and he must explain why should that be cited in contempt. Now, Mayor, kasi ang property daw doon is some portion of that property going inside that Pogo place is for Angeles. But most of the roads now going inside the Pogo is Purak. Do you confirm this?
Mr. Chairman, magandang hapon po at committee, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. If you would allow us, Mr. Chairman, to make a very, very brief presentation po in regards of the road network leading to going to Porac. Bakit po nasa Angeles po siya? If you would allow us and allow Engineer Kito to make a very, very, about 5 minutes or so presentation lang po. Hindi po siya.
Sige po, para makita natin, Mayor, yung, kasi pinagtalunan namin nung last hearing yan eh.
Apo.
Hindi namin maintindihan. Actually, binivisualize namin, pero hindi namin masyado ma-visualize. With your presentation, maybe we will be equipped now with the proper information. Go ahead.
Mr.
Technical.
Chair, Mr. Chair, probably later we can provide you with the maps with the area po para po
Yung ba sa presentation mo walang maps, Mayor?
Meron na pong map para po meron po kayong kopya ng mga mapa.
No, it's okay. We will try to see it on the monitor. Sige, go ahead. Yes, for the meantime, while we are preparing for the for that USB, yeah, DFA.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I just wish to clarify two things, no? I forgot to mention that we also issue student visas. So
Okay,
student visas
yes.
are also issued outside in our embassies and consulates. But there are two modalities, no, by which student visas may be issued. So
Okay.
one is student visas outright. The second pathway is through the issuance of 9A temporary visitors visas, which can be converted upon arrival here.
Arrival. Yes,
Aha.
correct.
I just
Thank you.
wanted to clarify
Yeah.
that.
So
And
dagdag
that's-
yun, student visa. From the many lines of agencies that can issue visa. Oh, okay, while waiting, ready na po ba? Hindi pa. So, tanungin ko muna PSA, while waiting. So, wala pa eh.
Ay, ituloy ko lang muna ang tanong ko habang
Sige.
inanda. Eh mamaya, ubusin mo naman yung oras ng mga members dito. Anyway, let me proceed, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Mayor, ito na lang po, before you present that video. First, Mayor, is this property is with the local government of Angeles City?
The road going to the property belongs to the city of, does not belong to the city of Angeles, but rather it's a private property owned by several companies. One for which is the Cruz siblings. And then after that po, yung mga Nepomuceno, si Avelin Nepomuceno. And then again, it will go again to the Cruz family again.
Okay. So, Mayor, the roads going to Purak was donated na.
Hindi pa po siya
In favor.
donated up to today.
Hindi pa donated, Chairman. Now, eto ngayon, Mayor, I hope this will be clear now. So, the road from Angeles going to Purak is still a private property.
Still a private property po
So,
up to today.
in short, the maintenance and everything is being shouldered by the private owner.
Opo. Opo.
Until now.
Opo.
Okay. So, can we, of course, hindi mo rin you cannot conclude, but can we say that the property at the boundary of Angeles going to Purak, the roads there is still private also?
The roads there po are all private as far as we know, which is in the Angeles City boundary, because there's a small subdivision after pagdating po sa Porac, a very small subdivision, which is also owned by the Cruz family.
Okay. So,
Chairman Paduano, briefly lang kasi parang ma-inform lang ako. Sandali. So, yung papunta ng Pogo sa Mabalacat, yung daan na yon, it's all
Porac po.
papunta ng Porac, it's all private properties.
Opo, it's all private properties.
So control nila yung pagpasok doon, and even the mayor of Porac, doon din siya pumapasok sa area yon, yung private property na yon.
Hindi ko lang po
Hindi, kasi
alam.
walang access doon sa Porac Pogo, kundi sinasabi niya dumadaan sila sa Angeles eh.
Hindi ko lang po alam kung may access po sila.
No, wala nga access because
doon po sila
he
dumadaan.
mentioned it in the hearing that doon siya dumadaan sa Angeles.
Opo, doon po sila
So in other
dumadaan.
words, walang access yung Porac government sa mismong kinalalagyan ng kanilang Pogo unless dadaan sila sa Angeles.
Opo.
Okay. Congressman Paduano.
thank you, Chairman. Mayor, so, when was the road constructed? Pag-usapan na muna natin yung yung Angeles na na portion.
Based po on record namin, based po sa Google, sa GIS namin, noong 2003, doon po existing na po yung road. Pero based on record, I think 1995, 1993, 1995 po, nung nag-start ata yung partial construction po ng roads. So, hindi po ako sure kung what year specific. We're still researching po kung anong year po yung road na nag-umpisa.
So, anyway, until now, that is a private road, and paano po yung maintenance?
Sa kanila po yun, hindi
Until
po
now.
at to today po.
Okay. So, again, we cannot make conclusion because the Mayor Calpil is not present. And Mr. Chairman, before I forgot, Sandhya,
We did already the owner of the...
is the owner present?
No. I mean, we have invited, it was manifested a while ago that we invited the Cruz brothers.
Just today.
Yes, just
Okay,
today.
thank you. Anyway, so, Mayor, if the property was developed since 1993 up to the present, wala ba kayong, ano ba to, Mayor pala? 4 lanes, 2 lanes?
Some portion po is 4 lanes, meaning 2 lanes po papunta, 2 lanes po pabalik, and some portion po, 2 lanes lang po siya.
2 lanes lang. So, ano, sementado po.
Sementado po siya.
Well maintained.
Well maintained po as far as we know. Mini-maintain po ng may-ari pero sementado pa rin po siya.
Okay. So Mr. Chairman, again, no, we cannot ask questions to the owner at the same time to Mayor Calpil kasi ang focus talaga ng investigation is yung Purak property, and the mayor now has said his piece na indeed the original owner, and until now it is still a private property being owned by most of the properties being owned by Corpus. And Mayor, wala ba kayong move to ask for the property owners to donate it to Angeles City?
Basically po, as for what we did the last couple of years, nag-tax mapping po kami doon, and we recognize po na yung property yon na yung property yon ano pa? Yung
Are you going to present something, Mayor? Sabi meron tayong present. Ready na ba?
Opo, pwede na po yung presentation.
Congressman Paduano. So, let's see muna yung presentation nila. Sige.
So as shown in the map, yung pong yellow po, ito po yung side ng Angeles. So yung boundary po, yun pong line po na yellow. So Angeles po siya. And then, so yun pong sa ilalim, yung pong Municipality of Porac, of which yung Pogo site po, yun pong
Go ahead.
yung Pogo site po, yung pong
Yan.
nakabilog po, which is Municipality of Porac na siya outside Angeles City. Then, as you can see po, next. So, yun po ang road in question po, yun pong road access in question. So based on the historical imagery sa Google Earth 2003, nag-exist na po siya. So may approximate length po siya from Friendship Highway, Angeles City, up to the boundary of Angeles City and Porac, mga approximately 727 meters lang. Next po. And based on records sa Angeles City Assessor's Office, the access road is not property of the Angeles City. The road is private property owned by different individuals. Meron pong road na owned by Ronald Cruz et al. Yun po siya. Then may road po na owned by Cruzwood Industries.
Sino pagawa niyan? Kung 2003 pa yan. Nung road na yun.
As po, mayroon po kami
Kanya-kanya sila pagawa? Kasi
pong, I think, sir, yung mga Cruz po.
ang
yung
nagpagawa
Cruz-
ng lahat ng yun.
Cruzwood po,
Sige.
yes po. And meron ding
Consolidated,
portion ng
yun.
road lot na owned by Abigail Nepomuceno. So the road also serves as the right-of-way of the different private properties to provide access po doon po sa adjacent properties and surrounding industries in the area. So yun pong slide po yan is the tax map from the assessor's office. Then, yun pong, we have a sample of the title po, wherein naka-annotate po dyan na it's a road right-of-way po na going to the Royal Garden Golf and Country Club and other properties po located in the municipality.
That's it.
Po. Thank
Okay.
you po.
Okay.
Chairman.
Sige, go ahead.
Okay, ano na, Chairman? So, mas malaking portion, mas mahaba yung portion ng Porac kumpara mo sa road. I'm talking about the road. Mas mahaba compare mo sa Angeles.
Yes
Tama?
po. Ang sa Angeles po hanggang sa boundary is
Mga ilang-
727
Okay,
meters lang po.
727. From the point of entry to the end point, ano na ba ngayon, develop na ba yan? May mga business establishments? I'm asking about the Angeles.
About Angeles, yes po sir. Meron pong mga industries dyan. Merong mayroong hotel, mayroong Grand Palacio Royal, is a function
okay.
room.
Ang assessors ba nandito?
Then
Kasi
mayroong
ganito,
hotel.
Chairman. Gusto ko lang, okay ma'am, gusto ko lang kasi in all investigation that we have made, no, doon sa public account sa committee ko po, ay mga problema lagi yung question ng reclassification, yung processes na ginawa. Kaya I am interested, Mr. Chairman, to check whether that particular property of the cruise, and that includes the Pogo sites. What is the original status of such land? Ano ba yan? Agricultural? Under Carpabulans?
Some portion po are industrial. Yung
No, Mayor. I'm talking about the history of that land. Kasi yung pag-industrial, of course, that goes through reclassification ng city. But, Mayor, you have to check na kasi, anyway, this is not part of the Pogo investigation, but I'm interested in Porac. But of course, Mayor, just heads up lang po kasi laging may mga problema yung question ng reclassifying those lands, those properties, especially properties under the DAR, which is carpable lands, and those properties na public lands. May process kasi yung dinadaanan. Pero ako, I want to, just heads up lang po kasi sooner or later baka mapacheck, mapaimbestigahan, but not in this committee. Kasi we need, before we reclassify, we need all the requirements, especially yung certificate of conversion from agricultural to industrial, if it is carpable lands, from the DAR. NIA, that is around 11 requirements. So, Mayor, kasi ako, Mr. Chairman, tingin ko itong Porac na Pogo, may problema to sa question ng reclassification. Hindi pa natin ito inabutan, pero babalik tayo doon pag nandito yung Scalpel. And, of course, we should invite, and dito pa lang LRA. RDO. Oh, you have now the records of all those properties mentioned, Angeles at saka Porac. Of course, sabihin mo naman, ma'am, ministerial kayo. Okay. Ministerial, but I want to check na lang. Do you have all the records?
Your Honor, good afternoon. We're still collating all the titles, but per investigation of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, there was a conversion granted by DAR.
So that's carpable lands.
Yes, Your Honor, but it was revoked. I am not yet sure because I don't yet have the documents, but maybe, Your Honor, we can request the findings of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan.
Okay, kasi ganito yan there is Porac, but in Mexico, Pampanga, alam mo naman, RDO, dami na tayong ipapris doon for process of reversion, no? Those properties being owned allegedly by Chinese nationals, claiming to be Filipino. Tama?
Yes,
now,
Your Honor.
ito naman is a property by a Chinese now at large. So, may problema. So, baka mamaya, bantayan nyo, baka mamaya, somebody will buy again that property. Just like what happened with Edith Yang.
Your Honor.
Transaction of Rodingo.
Yes. Your Honor, based on the documents that we have, the titles that we have, the titles are still registered in the name of the Cruz family, except for one.
And that's why, bantayan mo lang, one, except for one.
Yes, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki yung one na yan? That's inside, the Pogo area?
I am not sure, Your Honor.
Pakicheck na lang po. Anyway, ganito na lang po. Just, again, heads up ka lang. No, we don't want what happens in Mexico, Pampanga. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
In regards to Eddie Yang and Rodingo. Mayor, ganun din po Please be aware na lang po para wala tayong problema later. Now, RDO, nandito ka lang naman. Please produce all those documents regarding that property. Not only the Porac property, that includes the road and properties that covered by Angeles.
Yes,
City.
Your Honor. We will coordinate.
Oh, please.
Thank you.
Tapos bantayan na lang po, baka mamaya. Kasi the interest of the state and the people should prevail over those properties. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Chairman.
you, Chairman.